This is my project on algebraic expressions and identities. To prove the identity a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. In figure 1 we have a square whose side is a, so the area of the square will be a square. When we divide the square into 4 parts, then the measure of the sides will be b and a minus b. So the sum of areas of all the 4 parts will be a square. Now in figure 2 you can see that there is a square named AFDC whose area is a square. When we mark a point E on FD, then the measure of ED is a minus b and the measure of FE is b. Now when we mark a point I on DC, then the measure of DI is a minus b and the measure of CI is b. When we mark a point B on AC, then the measure of BC is a minus b and the measure of AB is b. When we mark a point G on AF, then the measure of AG is b and the measure of FG is a minus b. Now we'll find the areas of all the parts. Area of square ABOG will be b into b, which is b square. Now area of square EDIO will be a minus b into a minus b, which will be a minus b whole square. Now area of rectangle GOEF will be b into a minus b. Area of rectangle BOIC will be b into a minus b. Now we'll add all of them. B square plus b into a minus b plus a minus b whole square plus b into a minus b. B square plus a b into a will be ab, b into b will be b square plus a minus b whole square will remain same plus b into a is ab minus b into b is b square minus b square plus a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Since a square is equals to a minus b whole square minus b square plus 2ab, therefore a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Hence, this identity is proved. Now we will prove the next identity. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. In figure 3, there is a square whose side is a plus b, so the area of the square will be a plus b whole square. Now in figure 4, we have a square named ABCD whose area is a plus b whole square. When we mark a point E on AB, then the measure of EB will be b and the measure of AE will be a. Similarly, when we mark a point I on BC, then the measure of BI will be a and the measure of CI will be b. Now when we mark a point F on DC, then the measure of DF will be a and the measure of FC will be b. Now when we mark point G on AD, then the measure of DG will be b and the measure of AG will be a. Now we'll find area of all the 4 parts. Area of square AEHG will be a into a, which is a square. Area of square HICF will be b into b, which is b square. Now area of rectangle EBIH will be a into b, which will be ab. Area of rectangle DGHF will be a into b, which will be ab. Now we'll add all the areas of all 4 parts. A square plus b square plus ab plus ab. A square plus b square plus AB will be 2AB. Therefore, A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Hence, this identity is proved. Hope you have understood the identities. Thank you.